We stopped in to see the coastal cat sanctuary that is out by Magnolia Springs, and they take more than just cats. These two horses here were Mardi Gras horses that were going to be slaughtered, so now they are living out their life in this beautiful spot. This is an amazing place. Beautiful. They take in ferals, but they also take in the adoptable kitties, and Stray Love does the adopting, helps them out. These are quarantined areas when they first get one in to acclimate. I want to just pause so you can read that. They have volunteers that come here to take care of the kitties, make sure everything is cleaned, which is amazing, but there is 200 cats that live in this huge spot. The buildings are all air conditioned, climate controlled, so they aren't going to freeze in the winter. Look at that sweet baby. And there's one that keeps hanging out by us. This is the one that's super friendly.
I bet they do.
Look at that. He likes to be out. She likes to be outside. So where do they go for donations? Where can they go for donations?
CoastalCatsandCritters.com, and there's a donate button on there, and all of our wish lists are on there.
Okay. Coastal Cat and Critters.com. There's Gail with Stray Love. Coastal Cats and Critters.com. This one's a big sweet boy too.
I love
That's
Panda.
Panda. He's a polydactyl.
They know what you're here for.
Hello there, Mr. Polydactyl.